more time, I'm coming. We fall, rock bottom in the sand.
So that noise was from this box that I of ciders that I've had since New Year's because I forgot to bring them to Garrett's house. But grabbed them because headed to John's right now. Well, technically Megan's. She graduated from OT school along with one of our other friends, Colleen. And they're having like a little get-together celebration grad party type deal. Ooh, it's kind of chilly outside. So, headed to that. There's supposed to be a mariachi band. It's kind of hype. So yeah, should be a good time. I just got to Megan's house. Apparently there's a mariachi band here. Kind of hype. But I have a feeling that I'm underdressed. So that's not good. But it's whatever.
The dirty window, let me sun illuminate the world that you cannot find. Reaching for something in the distance, so close you can almost taste it. Release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. No one else can feel it for you, only you can let it in. No one else can speak the words on your lips. Leave yourself with words unspoken.
So I made it home from Megan's graduation party and Colleen's graduation party. I got there at like 4-ish and it's 1:30, so we had a good time. It was cool, but yeah, it was fun hanging out with them. I like them a lot. They're a good friend group. Hopefully in the future I can hang out with them more often, but yeah, it was a pretty short vlog today, I guess.